if you have another Bluetooth device other than your phone, if you have a Bluetooth music system or a GPS system, it's going to be the same steps. So you're going to go ahead and hold down the power button for about 6 seconds until you see the double lights flashing, which means you're in searching mode. And so you'll take your music Bluetooth system, or you're going to use your GPS, and you could link to our LEXIN Moto B4FM system. So the B4FM features a automatic calling feature. So after 12 seconds of you not doing anything, it will automatically pick up your phone call. If you want to answer your call faster than that, all you're going to have to do is just click the power button and that will answer your call. But if you don't want auto calling or auto feature, all you're going to have to do is hold down the power button and the intercom button, and you hold both of those down, and then you will then turn off that system. And if you want to turn it back on, all you're going to have to do is press down the power button and the intercom button again, and then you could turn the auto answering back on. To redirect an incoming call or a call that you don't want to hear, all you're going to have to do is hold down your power button for 2 seconds. So after you do that, it will end that call. If you want to end your active call, all you're going to have to do is just press the power button once, and that will end the current call that you're on. So another feature that the B4M uses is voice dialing. If you're not in your music and you're not using your intercom, you can double click the power button. So if you double tap this twice, that will put it in intercom mode, and it will either hit your Siri, or if you're using an Android, it'll use your Google Voice. And using that, you can tell it to voice dial or call whoever you need to call. If you need to redial somebody, your last contacted contact, all you're going to have to do is double click the double plus. So you're going to hit this twice, and that will redial who you just talked to last. Next up, I'm going to show you how to link these together for the Bluetooth intercom talking.